Hello everybody, welcome to box break number 239 for Milansoccer1313 ending Friday, April the 9th. It's for a Series 2 hobby. This is box 2 out of, this is case 2, which is box 3 out of 12. The serial number's up here. As usual, just before I switch over to the webcam, we are going to show that one more time, and then we'll switch over and we'll show it on the webcam. Have a few more people that are new joining us tonight, so just wanted to go over a couple of the rules. I'm going to pick on Edmonton Oilers here, username Chthonic1409. The way this is going to work is if Edmonton comes out and all the card hits are Edmonton, then Chthonic1409 gets all the cards. If no Edmonton Oilers come out, there's no cards being shipped out. So it's the hits that are being shipped, and we are going to go through the eBay usernames, and we're going to get cracking and open up the box tonight. Thanks again to everybody for paying so quickly so we can have this done the same night. Again, we appreciate it, and let's get at it. I'm going to just start off with the Pittsburgh Penguins, and we're going to say AAA's got the Pittsburgh Penguins. Chicago Blackhawks goes to AHR 6420004, and same with the Tampa Bay Lightning. The Dallas Stars go to Broby 5485. The Edmonton Oilers, the Panthers, the Kings, the Devils, the Senators, the Sharks, the Maple Leafs go to Chthonic 1409. The Philadelphia Flyers goes to D306512. The Buffalo Sabres goes to D-Lot01. The Coyotes, the Bruins, the Avs, the Jackets, and the Wings go to Flapanath. The Blues and the Capitals go to Hoser63AB. The Vegas Knights go to Muppet Magoo82. Canes and Jets go to Rob McCull 12. The Canadians go to Sac Levo. The Predators and the Rangers go to Sarge B. The Islanders goes to Sasham 58. Flames go to SK8 Dark Star. Ducks go to Strobit 74. The Wild and the Canucks go to Ville 67. And we're going to go back to the top here, ending 3485. Going to switch over to the webcam. Here we go. Box break 3, 4, 8, 5. There it is. Nice and clear. And let us get cracking on the box. Thanks again to everybody. We had a couple of nice hits on the last break, last Friday. We saw a clear-cut young gun come out. Have to close that knife so fast. Oh. And we're ready to start. Well, good luck, everybody. And let's begin. So it's base, 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 and our first hit, Reed Duke from your Vegas Golden Knights. Congratulations, Vegas, base, 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 and base. It's a bit of a glare today, guys. Sorry, I'm going to try to get the images in there as best as I can. I'm going to show all the cards, of course. Base, base, base. Oh-ho! Buffalo Sabres, Dylan Cousins. There's the young gun that we were looking for. There's a few in there that are really hot, and that is one of them. Congratulations, Buffalo Sabres, Dylan Cousins. Base, base, and base. Again, we're looking for French variants and suits, so we're going to keep an eye out for those as usual. They're a little trickier to spot. base, 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 base. Our first UD portrait of Mickey Anderson for your Anderson of your LA Kings. Congratulations, LA. Base, base, and base. Base, base, base. Marquee rookie Alec Belizel. I'm going to probably pronounce it wrong, but for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations, Montreal. Capital base, base leaf, base knight, base leaf, Jason Spezza, who's having a great year this year. Colorado base, Vasilevsky base, Nyquist base, Sundqvist base, Kyle Palmieri, the new Jersey Devils. Congratulations, just traded, but he is in a Devils jersey, and this is a hit for the New Jersey Devils. And base Schwartz, base, and base. Bozak base, Capital base, McCann base, and marquee rookie Ty Dellandrea. Dallas Stars. Let's get there. We go. Dallas Stars. Congratulations, Dallas. Base, 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 and base. There's something poking out here. Let's see what that was. Base, Jack Hughes base, Rust base, a fluorescent Nick Robertson. That is a nice card. Congratulations to your Toronto Maple Leafs. Let's get that to focus in. There we go. Congratulations, Toronto. Nick Robertson, fluorescent. That's a base, 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 and base. That is a nice Nick Robertson card. Still looking, we only got one young gun so far, so there's still a few to go here. Base, base, base. Tampa Bay Lightning Award winners. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. There we go. Might be repeating this year. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. That's a base, base, and base. Ducks, base, Lehkonen base, Conley base, UD portrait, Chase Brinkle. Congratulations, Florida. That is a French variant. Gotta watch out for them. There you go. Anthony Mantha, French variant. Show you the back here. Congratulations to Detroit. Base, base, and base. Still looking for those. We only have one young gun so far. Nylander base. Schwartz. Joel Kelman from your San Jose Sharks. Congratulations. Base, 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 and base. Fasca, base. Base. Zajac, base. UD Canvas, Shea, Theodore for your Vegas Knights. Base, base, and base. One more. Base. Pierre-Luc Dubois, base. Aho, base. Armia, base. Enrique, base. Cole Smith from your Nashville Predators. Young gun. Congratulations to Nashville. Base, base, and checklist. Not the UD checklist. Common. Base, Goudreau base. We got another fluorescent. Looks like your base. Matthews base. Dazzler, Bo Horvat. There's your Dazzler for your Vancouver Canucks. That's a making sure base, base, and base. Just double checking. There we go. Leonard base, Muzzin base, Pullman base, Marquee rookie, Vitaly Krastasov for your New York Rangers. I butchered that name. Base, 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 and base. My apologies to Vitaly. Ben, base. Theodore, base. Oh, let me make sure I don't get anything in there. There we go. The Brusque base. UD portrait of Lucas Carlson. Congratulations to Chicago. Base, Sharks, base, base, and base. Still got a few young guns hopefully in here. Just still pop out of here. Hannon base, Sharp base, Lindholm base, Jeff Skinner base, Alexander Barbanov. I didn't butcher that one. Congratulations to your Toronto Maple Leafs. He is back in the lineup for a couple of games. So congratulations to the Leafs. That's a base, base, and base. Alexander Barbanov. Base, base, Knights base. Oh, look at that. Keith Bellows, nice Dazzler. And we think we saw the next one. Congratulations to the Islanders. And right behind is a nice UD Young Guns canvas of Joel Kiviranta. I think I got that right. Kiviranta, who's playing well, actually, for the Dallas Stars, even though I can't pronounce his name. I do know he's playing well. Apparently not so well. I'm being overly generous, I think. Kyle Connor, base, base. Gaudette, base. Hellebuck, base. Braden Burke Young Gun for your Arizona Coyotes. Congratulations, Arizona. Base, base, and base. Hoffman base, Keller base, Fabry base, Slavin base, Jake Ottinger, killing the names tonight. Dallas Stars, killing the names. Thank you and congratulations to Dallas and Blues base, base, and base. Johansson base, Fowler base, Falk base, David Casey. I can't get that name wrong. Impossible. Kasha. Philadelphia Flyers. Congratulations, Philadelphia. I'm going to go with Casey. I'm going to stick with that. Pedersen. Eck. Just making sure here. And rounding out Justin Hall. Now, Justin Hall's having a good year. That one I can see. He's doing well. LeBlanc, Sid base, Krejci base, whatever base. Brandon Hagel, UD, Chicago Blackhawks, UD portrait. Congratulations, Chicago. Graves, base and base. All right. Base, Roussel base, Jonathan base, Marquis. Oh, that's a nice one. Marquis rookie, Alexei Lafreniere for your New York Rangers. Congratulations, New York. Buffalo base, Group League base, base, and base. All right, guys, almost there. Let's see if we can get something big out of these last two. Price, base, Marchand, base, Victor Stallman, base, UD Canvas, Rupe Hintz. Congratulations, Dallas. Nashville, base, 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 base. Last pack. Thanks again, everyone, for joining. Hope to see you again on Sunday. Kachuk, base, Larson base, Barzell. And last is a marquee rookie, Giles Shawn from your New Jersey Devils. Or Gilles Shawn if you want to do the French version of it. But there you go. Rookie marquee. Base, base, and base. Well, guys, that was fun. Thank you for joining. Congratulations to all you guys that got hits. We will hopefully see you on Sunday night. Thanks again. Have a good night.